TW!
Hey!
Whoa!
Oh, so she right here.
Let me see. You take that out. Okay.
This is Phase Ed Music.
You want to
Got
do it?
that big head.
Now, what should do with him being in her arms since I haven't done one sometimes yet?
There you know.
Just to see
How
how
you
you do
want
it.
You want to do them like that?
Yeah, that way you can get to both of them.
Okay. So, you have one.
The bad one. The bad head.
I'm a man some. Okay. Mom, scoot your bottom out some from the chair. And that way, and lean back for me. You lean back. Okay. I'm gonna start with this ear.
This is Phase Ed Music.
We're gonna do two tests. One is called the OAE is short, and the ABR with the stickers is a little bit long. Okay. What you were saying?
Go to OAE or
Whichever is
Yeah.
love when it goes that fast.
Okay. He had two tests, the OAE. Okay. He passed that year already.
Okay. Okay, we
All
passed
right.
that one.
He passed. He passed on both. Now I need to get to the other ear. Okay. You want to switch them around or how you want to do it? Let's see. Whichever way you want to go. The baby out. What y'all do to him?
Gave him milk right before we got here. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
I remember you said, somebody said to make sure he's asleep, so.
You like he done had more milk.
That's how. Oh my goodness, you're a cutie, dude.
Thank you. You like he had more than milk.
So did you just measure like brain waves or like how did it work?
The first one, OAE, measures hair fiber outside the inner ear.
Okay.
Second one with the sticky, it works with the brain wave, but not directly. That's why baby needs to be sleep with it.
Okay, we just passed the longer test and we're just gonna do that quick one with the hair fibers.
All right. Oh, you didn't do the OAE?
No, not yet.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Too quick.
You're
ain't
good,
it?
dude. You're good, little dude.
All right, that's
Okay, we
what you're
passed.
right for me.
Thank you.
We're gonna give you a letter just stating that he passed.
Okay.
Him scratching face.
I don't know.
Oh. Hey, you. What? What are you talking about? Yeah. What are you talking about? Huh?
Son, it's a lot.
Say
You're
hi.
doing just fine. You are doing just fine. All right.
I gotta fill out this questionnaire.
You heard they calling, huh?
Did it?
Yeah.
I didn't.
We ready? I was making his bottle. Hold on.
By naps one today?
3 to 4.
3 to 4.
Mhm.
Okay. 3 to 4 hours or 3 to 4 naps?
Oh, 3 to 4 hours and about
You
Three-
know you
three
trying to
naps.
cheat.
Huh?
You know you trying to cheat. I need you to put them way up there.
Up there? That's come on.
Well, you know you trying to cheat. Okay,
Yeah.
keep his hands straight up for me. Dad trying to show out, okay?
Mhm.
I got it. You can pick him up, Daddy. So 3 to 4 hours, Mom?
yeah.
Okay.
Like, what is happening?
Jesus, he's huge.
Your ears.
Oh boy.
Now, the oral vaccine he's getting is protective against a virus called rotavirus. I don't know if you guys have heard of that.
ROTA, right?
ROTA. Good.
All right, let's slide it.
You should have got his pacifier
Where's it at?
in his diaper.
Oh, you gonna spit that thing out?
Get it, Edie.
She said he goes to that. I believe her.
Just be ready to give him some love. I'll be.
She pro.
Yo, G. Yo, G.
Oh.
That's it? I got you, G. Come on, baby. Got.
Breathe.
Yeah. Come on, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. That's it. That's
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You
It's over
too.
with.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
over
thank
with.
you,
I
you
tell you,
too.
he gonna take it like a G. He good. Yeah, okay. Look.
He done crying already.
He done. Look.
Oh.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Let's see it
Look at his band-aids. He got marble band-aids.